This background is fake. So if you're a content creator who thinks that because of your background, you cannot create content and your content involves sitting in one place, okay, especially like in a room or a building, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your background using Leonardo.ai, Canva, and Capcut. So once this open, the next thing you have to do is to bring the video. So you click on imports, you click on this imports and go to your file. So this is basically YouTube. So I'm just going to take any video from this one that is very short. I'll just cut one. Okay. So I'm just going to use this one. So I have this, as you can see here. Okay. So now the next thing you want to go and bring the next thing you import the photo that you've downloaded from Canva. Remember, this is the part 2. So you click on download. I think it was this one, YT. So this is the photo, remember. So now you click on this, you add, you see where this is. So I'm just going to add this one just for illustration. To bring it up there. Okay, so you have it this way. So what I'm going to do, I am going to reduce this one. I don't need all of this. So I'll just cut it. This is delete right. I just need this part, just this main one from here to this. Okay. There are certain things I need to cut basically from this video. So I'll come back here. I don't need this one. This is a video I've edited already, but there are things I want to get rid of. So I'm still going to cut, click this one, and just click delete left. So that goes. Then I'll join these two. Okay. So I'm here now. So this is what. Thank you for joining back. Then take the seat. Let's dive into the EB2 NIMB, which is the National Identity Test Waiver for international students. It is more like a green card. Okay, so fine. So I am just integrated from this to this one. Okay, and that's what I want to show you. So now what you do, in fact, I don't need this one. I'm going to cut this one. I don't need this one. I just want to make this video, this illustration very short. Okay, so you have this one, just this, and even maybe the whole of this I'm going to delete. But how many minutes now? This is 1 minute 30 something seconds. Okay, I think that's not bad. Okay, fine. So now you have this one. What you do, since this is the highlighted one, you see video here, audio, speed, animation. So just click on this video, and under this video you see basic, remove BG, that's remove background. So you click on this one. Okay, so now I want to remove this background. So once you click that, you go to auto removal. If you want to customize, you can click on this one. So most often I just use this one. Click on this. Okay, so let's wait for it. Applying auto cut out 0.0%. So let's wait for it to get to 100. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, it's okay now, and this is what you have left with. Okay, so you see now everything is black. So now all you have to do is to take this one, the picture, and just drag it down here. Sometimes you won't see this layer because I have edited the video just now, so you are seeing another layer. Sometimes you won't see this layer. So what you have to do, maybe this one will be the first layer. When you bring this one, you won't get it to this point. So unless you have to flip, take this one up and this one comes down. Okay, so now once you have this one, just drag it this way, this point. Okay, Now let's see what we have. And the other one is going to be, we are going to look at them causes. Okay, so as you can see, that's it. Okay, well, what you observe here, because this is already an edited video, you see the captions. Some you can't see them. So what I would advise you, after you cut out, you remove BG, that's the time, or even after this, after changing the, if you want to do caption, after changing the background, like what you are seeing now, now you can do caption. You go to caption and do caption, okay? So that's it, basically. And this is what you have now. So if you are satisfied with this one, all you have to do is go to export and export this one, okay? So you click on export here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, so you can always click this one, says add video cover at the beginning. So I've created a cover, but that's something I will have to do again in another video. Okay, so all you have to do here is to change this name to, let's say, remove background. So you just give it any name and you have the folder where you want this video to be exported to. So once you're okay, and this one, the resolution, okay, that's the highest cartridge recommended codec format MP4. Once you're okay with that, you click on export. And this video, you will find this video in your exported, or the folder where this folder like this, okay? You can see here, this is users, MADI, desktop, and YouTube and all of that. So you can always change it from this place. So I can just click export, and that's going to export. So you can see this one 0.0 until this gets to 100, and that's it. Okay, so that's it, guys, and you can upload your video. Okay, I'm going to make series of videos on how to use Capcut, especially like with a computer. Okay, see you in my next video.